Hello everyone. Me, Farna Mustaqimi, and my friend Erfan Panay, we are going to talk about how AI could revolutionize music industry. Our contents are separated in introduction, main, media, and conclusion. So let's get started. Introduction. As you know, artificial intelligence is a hot topic in so many industries right now, and it's all around us, whether we realize it or not. Yet it's being applied in new and innovative ways beyond understanding listeners and their preferences. It has become the latest method for creating music. Let's not panic. This is not a nightmare about real musicians being replaced by computers. That some might fear about this, but it's an opportunity for artists and content creators to explore they wouldn't otherwise discover. But our most important question is, will AI be a positive thing in the music industry as a whole or not? AI creates music. For this subject, we need to mention AI in history in music industry. Back in 1951, British computer scientist Alan Turing was the first to record computer-generated music using a machine that filled almost an entire floor of the lab. In recent years, the recording was restored by New Zealand researchers after 65 years it was created. The music composition, either by AI or using AI, continues today. AI starts by analyzing data from different compositions when it creates music pieces. Throughout the reinforcement learning, the algorithm learns what characteristics and patterns create music that is enjoyable or that mimics a certain genres. The AI model can also compose innovative musical numbers by combining elements in unique ways. So we have two new platforms that developed by big companies. The first is Google Magenta's, and the second one is the Sony Flow machines. So we are going to discuss about the Google Magenta. Google Magenta is a new platform that the tech companies are now investing in future, where AI creates or assists musicians in creating music. Google Magenta's project is an open source platform, produce a song written and performed by AI. And Sony developed Flow machines, an AI system that's already released. That is called, this is a song that's created and performed by AI. So, second, we are going to talk about the Sony's Flow machines. Flow machines is a research and development project aimed at achieving the creativity of artists in music. Throughout the music history, creativity of artists had been extended by innovations and technical improvement in each era, which always brought music to a new stage. Starting from invention of various instruments and drum machines, appearance had realized new music. And how this platform works and how the Sony's Flow machines work. The main part of Flow Machines project is Flow Machines Professional. Flow Machines Professional is an AI assistance music composing system. Using this system, creators can compose melody in different styles which he wants to achieve, based on its own music rule curated by various music analysts. Creators can generate melody, chord, and bass by operating Flow machines. Furthermore, their own idea inspired by Flow machines. From here, the process will be the same as the regular music production. Arrange them with the DAW, put lyrics, recording, mixing, mastering, and etc.
Music and identifying the next stars. At first, I have to talk about A&R, which stands for artists and repertoire. And I have to talk about repertoire. Repertoire is a list or supply of dramas, operas, pieces, or parts that a company or person is prepared to perform. Actually, in today's world, A&R is hard to find, and it's hard to find promising artists and the artist that's not signed to a label. Lately, Warner Music Group introduced a startup last year that uses an algorithm to review social and streaming data to find promising artists and those who not signed to a label. These AI tools can be very accurate and actually very to the point for artists who want to hire not signed artists and those who are promising. You may notice how AI could help next stars and actually new artists to being found and being a famous artist. And actually AI powered features help next stars and new artists to be famous. And actually we have to say discovered and helping new artists to get discovered is expensive, and without doing it effectively, a talented artist could remain unfound. AI technology can help determine which fans would enjoy an artist's music. It is exactly like the AI powered feature for Spotify discovery, and it is based on your mood and based on your history of listening to different genre of music. And actually it gave it take your data and give you the best music for you and the next artists that could be your favorite ones. It's for songwriters. AI tools have made it easier for songwriters to create high quality music quickly. Actually, there are many websites, a bunch of websites that you can easily go there and make your next hit. There are many benefits for songwriters and producers that you can found on AI websites. For example, in songwriting, you can go to some websites that are for songwriting, and all you have to do is giving them the story and actually the topic that you want to put your song on that, and it will generate the lyrics, and you can easily go for it and sing it for your next song. And for producers, they are a bunch of websites, and you can go there and put the actually key that you want to create your song on, and after that you have to put the tempo of the song and the genre of the music that you want that your music is, and after that it will generate the whole song and the whole beat. And these are the steps that you can go to make a whole song create a whole song with AI features. Okay, now I'm going to show you some interesting AI tools and websites for making music. As you can see in this site that's called aiva.ai, you can create your own track and your own music. Actually, there is a few steps that you have to put on your path. There is type of musics like EDM, lo-fi, solo piano, old school rap, trap, and all these type of music and genres. And I will choose these lo-fi hip-hop, and I will give it a key that I want to put my song on. I mean, like, for example, G, B minor, and the duration and number of compositions, for example, 1. And I said create tracks, and it will generate the music for you. As you can see, my track is ready. Let's hear it. Let's hear it together. Okay, as you see, it's an fully AI track, fully AI made track, and we're going to move to another site that use other people clone voices to generate and actually convert your audio and your voice to other famous people sounds. Here's another site called Meta Voice, and in this site you can choose a MP3 or other type of audio files, and choose one of these characters and turn your voice into these characters voice. And I don't want to try this thing out because the lack of time that we have. And yes, it's another tool that you can easily use for your next song.
Conclusion. So, straight back to our important question. Will AI be a positive thing in the music industry as a whole or not? Overall, there are many positive points to have artificial intelligence in the music industry. On the one hand, it helps fit the growing demand of new music in many different genres, and it allows artists to experiment with the new sounds and explore never-before-heard combinations. Although, looking to the future, AI will allow music production to be a more and a lot wider spread and at the lower cost, allowing for an age of music that transcend the genres and sounds we know today. On the other hand, we can't ignore the unemployment of amateur artists and producers. So at the end, according to the research, we came into conclusion that AI will be effective in the music industry.